now. When they do promo now, it's another time. They will give you fan.
Now that's how I be one buy, but my money no complete.
So I feel like it. Some people don't do that. When cement now 1,000. When come to 10,000, they do that. How God will work.
You guys, the person that is fixing that wants to fix the AC just came, and is doing it now. I will need an electrician that's going to connect the AC plug. I also want to remove this. Yes. Huh? Where?
The place, the hangar, the AC.
Now they open the gate.
Okay.
I also want to remove my ceiling fan because it's very ugly. I want to remove it and I'll get a standing fan later. Hey guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to the vlog. I am cooking in bulk today and I'm trying to roast this pepper mix for jollof rice. I want to cook, I'm not cooking jollof rice, but I want to prepare the sauce, the stew for jollof rice. I'm going to cook it in large quantity and stock it up in the fridge. So whenever I want to cook jollof rice, whenever I'm craving jollof rice, I will just go into the fridge, bring out some, put it in the fire, then put my rice, and you know, jollof rice is ready in a matter of minutes. I'm also doing vegetables for fried rice. I'm also going to store that in the fridge, but because vegetable tends to get soggy with time, I am not going to excuse me, I'm not going to cook many vegetables unlike this jollof rice base. I'm also cooking stew, and I'm also cooking ogbono and egusi soup. I haven't finished slicing these things. I'm going to sprinkle some oil on it, you know, to help it roast better. My house is a mess. I just fixed my AC and I need sockets. And this electrician is telling me that he can't come today. Why? So I'm going to pop this in the oven and allow it to roast before blending. Okay. Guys, I just finished cooking TV stew. This one is for jollof rice. This is chicken, fish and assorted with vegetable oil, while this one is just assorted and dry fish with red oil. So I'm going to pack all this snacks and put them in the fridge. The next thing I'm cooking now, is melon soup and ogbono, and that will be it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to cook the others. Okay, so yeah.
next day.
So this is the beans I want to wash. I have pounded it, and then it's just to wash it. Yeah, keep it. Actually, turn it this side. You guys, so this is the beans. To be honest, it's way more than I thought it would be. It's a lot of beans. And I'm going to pack it in bits into Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. Anyways, I'm preparing breakfast. I'm preparing yam and plantain, and I want to fry egg. I think I'll use one Titus to fry the egg. I hope you guys can actually see me. The lighting is bad, and to be honest, I don't have strength to set up my lighting. I'm just using the natural lights. Hopefully you guys can see me. Okay, so let me add small to this. Just small. And then this. Life is so easy when you prep things in bulk. I will not lie, I love it. Just dedicate one day and do all of these things and do them in bulk. Store them in your freezer, your refrigerator, as the case may be, and you are good to go. Live your baby girl life without any disturb. You guys, so I have finished putting them into the Ziploc bag. So if I want to make akara or momo, I just take one and use. I'm going to arrange them now and put them in the fridge. Okay guys, so this is what my freezer looks like at the moment. It's full. I have meat, turkey, chicken, goat meat, cow meat. I have full carton of turkey in this deep freezer, full carton. Okay, so that beans is a lot, and I think I want to put it here. Yes, so I'm going to pack everything here and put them up here. So that's it. This is ice block. This is coconut milk. This is just oil. So I'm going to arrange the beans there. Okay, so let's pack it.